So you want to connect your Lotus Lantern to Alexa. First, open the Lotus Lantern app to check your LED lights. Make sure your lights are working properly in the app. Turn them on to confirm everything is connected. This ensures your device is ready for Alexa connection. Now, we will connect Lotus Lantern to Alexa. First, check your phone's Wi-Fi connection. Make sure you are connected to your home network. Go back to the Lotus Lantern app. Open the device settings inside the app. Confirm that your LED device is connected. Once confirmed, minimize the app. Now open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone. Wait for the app to load completely. Tap on the More option in the menu. This will open additional settings. Select skills and games from the list. Use the search bar to find Lotus Lantern. Type Lotus Lantern in the search field. Select the correct skill from the results. Open the skill details page. Tap Enable to use to activate it. You will now need to log in to your account. Enter your Lotus Lantern login details. Tap Sign In to link your account. Wait for the confirmation message. Your accounts are now successfully linked. Now tap on Discover Devices. Alexa will start scanning for your lights. Wait while the scanning process completes. Your device should appear in the list. Select the discovered Lotus Lantern device. You can now control it from the Alexa app. Try turning the light on using the app. Your LED lights should respond instantly. Now, let's test voice control. Say, Alexa, turn on the lights. Your smart speaker will process the command. The lights should turn on automatically. This means the connection is successful. You can now control lights hands-free. Try changing colors using the Alexa app. The lights will update in real time. You can also use more voice commands. Enjoy full smart control of your lighting. This makes your setup more convenient and fun. And that's how you connect Lotus Lantern to Alexa easily.